Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Harvest rosemary mint when plants are dry in the morning and fragrant, picking 2 to 3 sprigs per serving. Strip leaves by pinching downward along a 3.5-inch stem to remove foliage quickly and evenly. Wash gently under cold water and pat dry with a clean towel to avoid bruising. Trim any brown tips and discard woody stems. For the freshest flavor, use within 24 hours or move quickly to preserve by chilling, infusing, or drying, depending on your planned use. To extract flavor for beverages, steep 1 tablespoon chopped leaves in 8 ounces boiling water for 5 minutes, then taste and adjust steep time. Make a simple syrup with 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water and 5 sprigs, simmering gently until sugar dissolves and herbs infuse for 10 minutes. Strain and cool before bottling or adding to cocktails to avoid cloudiness. Use the tea chilled as a refresher or the syrup to sweeten lemonade, iced tea, or an herbal cocktail at a 1. In cooking, chop 1 teaspoon leaves per serving for salads, meats, or roasted vegetables, adding near the end to preserve brightness. Freeze leftover leaves in ice cube tray with 1 teaspoon olive oil each. Pop cubes into sautés or sauces for a quick flavor boost. For long-term, store dry stems in a paper bag at room temperature up to 6 months away from light and humidity. Label containers with date and discard if aroma fades to avoid muted flavor in recipes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.